Hey guys, it's Monica Crawford with the Crawford team at Keller Williams. So excited to bring you our gorgeous new listing in Seminole. We're at 11760 Kaymak Lane, and this is in the West Ridge neighborhood. This neighborhood consists of only 15 homes, all built in 2015. This one here is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 3-car garage with over 2,800 square feet, an enclosed saltwater pool. This home has it all, including curb appeal, as you can tell. So come inside and join me. Let's take a look. Come on in, guys. I can't wait for you to see the inside of this home. The moment you step in, it makes a grand impression. You love these huge ceilings. You've got a beautiful staircase leading to all the bedrooms. But what I really love about this first impression is this enormous dining room. This is your formal dining room, the perfect place for you to host all of your holiday parties, including a housewarming party once you make this one your home. It's got a very smart layout throughout the entire home. This is access from the garage. And what I love is that you have storage everywhere in this home. You actually have a really nice closet that makes best use of the understairs space. And then for convenience, you have a really nicely updated powder room right here. And welcome to the heart of the home, where you're going to be spending all of your time. This home is made for entertaining. What you're finding here is your kitchen and family room, which leads out to your enclosed lanai and saltwater pool. But let's not skip over this kitchen. This kitchen is a chef's dream. You can tell how much prep space you have with these gorgeous countertops, tons of cabinet space, really nice updated stainless steel appliances, and the chef in the family is gonna love the natural gas stove. Now, you have natural gas in this home, which includes and operates a natural gas whole home generator, which gives you peace of mind come hurricane season. I've mentioned the storage already, but take note of this step-in pantry, perfect for all of your baking goods and snacks. And we noticed the formal dining room right when you come in the home, but what's really great is that not only do you have bar space here in your kitchen, you also have a small eat-in space here, which is great for breakfasts and lunches. Your living room has tons of natural light and the best view in the house, looking out into your paver, lanai, and saltwater pool. Upstairs, you're going to find all 4 bedrooms, including the master suite, which we'll start with, but also including a gorgeous full guest bath and a huge laundry room. Let's start with the master suite. I'll also note that all of the hardwood upstairs, as well as the carpet in 3 of the bedrooms, have all been replaced in the last year. This is your master suite. Great natural light, tons of room. As you can see, it easily accommodates a king-size bedroom suite. The pocket door here that separates it from the closets in the bath. And can you please take note of these gorgeous walk-in closets for him and for her. I've always said the key to a happy marriage is dual vanities. And you're gonna notice that we've got gorgeous, spacious dual vanities in this bathroom. You have a gorgeous soaking tub and a step-in shower and a nice powder room. Let's go see the kids' rooms. Three guest bedrooms upstairs, all feature great closet space. Again, that reoccurring theme of really nice storage space here. Nice natural light. You've got dual vanities, a great linen closet, and a tub upstairs in your full bath, which is perfect for the little ones. Your second guest bedroom is found in this corner of the home, which faces the rear. And imagine all the possibilities of this huge room. It could be a playroom, a home office, maybe an in-law suite if you have a multi-generational family. But the possibilities are endless and the light is abundant. And then the last thing to note upstairs is this laundry room. Laundry's never fun, but if you have to do it, you want a space like this to do it in. You've got full-size side-by-sides, a utility sink, and more storage. Now, as gorgeous as the home is, this is where you're going to spend all of your time. You have a huge pavered, enclosed, lanai, and saltwater pool and spa. Again, this home was made for entertaining. The flow makes perfect sense. You actually have natural gas already plumbed out here, so if you want to install an outdoor kitchen, be our guest. You'll notice that you already have the child safety fence as well, so everything is up to code. A gorgeous saltwater pool. And again, this is a fantastic community of West Ridge, only 15 homes, 2015 construction, and the HOA is only $85 a month. That includes your water and sewer. You cannot beat this location. And in addition to all of this gorgeous pavered space, you still have enough green space to run and play. We hope you schedule your showing today to check out 11760